So, beta, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Acha. Beta, you know that I am Carmel, Future Director, Saraswati Public Senior Secondary School, Jandua,
Yes, sir.
and you are studying in my school in now in 10th class
Yes, sir.
in English medium. Grima, today I have visited your house, and your house is very beautiful.
Thank you so
and your,
much.
and your mother is also very good mother. Uh,
Thank you.
so do you think that your mother is giving you good love?
Yes, sir.
She did not scold you at any time if you make any mistake.
If I make any mistake and then my mother is say me that next time you can't
You
take
should
this.
not do like that.
Yes, sir.
Grima, I want to ask you before my class,
Yes, sir.
before joining my school,
Yes, sir.
where you were studying at the time?
I studied in UP.
UP.
Yes, sir.
In English medium schools.
Yes, sir.
Last year when I gave you admission, at the time your desire was that you should attend the 10th class
Yes, sir.
instead of the 9th class.
Yes, sir.
And you took both the classes throughout the day, and you were very too much busy because you were also attending the 10th class, including 9th class. So you did not gather any botheration of both the classes.
No, sir. I am very free from this.
Free from this.
Yes, sir.
Now you always try to speak in English. So why, being in a rural area, and you are very interested to speak in English, so how did this type of the inspiration come from you in your mind? You want to speak in English every time. So how did you feel? How you excite in your mind?
I feel very good in my mind because I love English and I love speech in English.
You want to speak give in speech in English.
Yes, sir.
Want to speak in English.
Yes, sir.
As and when the teacher is teaching in your class, either he is teaching the mathematics, social science, English, science, whatever may be subject.
Yes.
At the time, you did not think that I am not understanding this topic while speaking in English.
If I don't understand the thing, then I ask the teacher and repeat the answers of the
So,
questions.
he will give you, if you don't understand, then you stand up and ask the question.
Yes, sir.
And then he repeat it.
Repeat it.
You see any such a time in the school or the class in Saraswati Public School, at the time you faced such type of problem that teacher is not teaching well? You feel like that teacher is not teaching well?
No, sir. Every teacher is teaching well.
If all the teachers are teaching very well.
Yes, sir. And especially is Mr. Dipendra Singh Rathod of the mathematics teacher.
He was teaching very well.
Yes, sir.
Now, this year, when we got the result of the 12th class,
12th class, yes.
the Shivam got the 90% marks, who was also the English medium
English
school.
medium.
And this is the record of my school till date.
Till date.
All the students who appeared in the 10th class and 12th class, all students who got first position in the class in the school, they were from the English medium student,
Yes.
not in the medium.
Not in the medium.
So, what do you think about that? Why the student of the English medium getting first position in the school? Whether
Because
that this education being imparted or given to the student in the Saraswati Public School to the students in English, that is the better instead of the Hindi or not?
Hindi medium students is also very good, but he don't use her mind, his or her mind, and English medium students is very well and use her mind in very well times and without any hesitations.
Without hesitation.
Yes, sir.
I want to ask you, my beta, that when you are speaking in English, you did not, you do not mind that collect the sentences or the meaning, what type of the sentences I will have to speak. You are speaking like me, and you do not collect any translate any sentence. So how you form the sentences in English?
I want to speak English in front of you, but I am very hesitations feeling. Then I feeling sometimes very bad.
I want to ask you that when you are speaking in English, at that time you do not hesitate to speak in English, just you are speaking like in Marwadi language.
Yes, sir.
So how you collect the words to form the sentence in English and speak quickly? How it is possible? Suppose I am telling you this is the sentence, and you are speaking quickly. You are giving the answer. So how it is possible? Either your vocabulary is strong, or
Because I have answer of this question.
you have answer of this question. And the next, when you are in your school, Saraswati Public School, and you are now in 10th class,
Yes, sir.
and the student of the 10th class, either in the Hindi medium school or English medium school, they do not have even the knowledge of the grammar, the spelling, etc. They are appearing in the 10th class and 12th class, but they do not know the spelling of the 10th.
Spelling
And
of
you are
tense.
speaking in English. It is a great proud of you and myself and my school that you are speaking in English. Now in future, you think that how much marks you will try to acquire in the 10th class board examination?
I want to above 90% marks in 10th class.
Above 90%.
Yes, sir.
Grima, I want to, next my question is that those students who are getting more than 90% marks and 76 yeah, 75% marks,
Yes, sir.
most of the students, girl students, are very anxious to become the doctor.
Yes, sir.
So what is your aim in your future?
My aim is to be also a doctor.
You want to become a doctor?
Yes, sir.
If suppose you will pass the 12th class from the Saraswati Senior Secondary School, because this is the running since for last 21 years. So many students have got selection in the medical line.
Yes,
and I have uploading the videos. You might have seen my videos.
Yes, sir.
So you think that you will definitely get a selection in
Medical.
NEET and medical line?
Yes, sir.
Next, I want to ask that question that how many students in your class are able to speak in English like you?
I think only in girls, and in boys only Vaibhav.
Above.
Yes, sir.
Web is also good in speaking in English.
Just like me.
Like you.
Yes, sir.
I have seen you in a school when you are in class or interval. At that time, you always looks very smart. You do not look like the lazy girls. You always remain smart in the school and out of the class or in the class. So it's gives the enthusiasm and excitement to the students and teachers and the owner of the school also. Being director of that school, myself, I look you in your class. That is the first girl who is very interested to speak in English. That you are getting some inspiration from my life.
Yes, sir.
What type of inspiration you are getting from my life?
Because you are very good person, very intelligent, and after I want to see you, then I have many types of aim in my life, and I want to speak in English.
When you are studying at the UP,
Yes, sir.
at that time there is any difference between the UP teachers and myself?
No, sir, I have no difference in UP and Rajasthan, because those are very good speech English and studies also.
Yeah. Now, second, I want to ask you, because I had also been in UP, MP when I was in army.
Yes, sir.
That I have visited all the India, and I have remained in northern India or South India, so many. But I see only the few students of the rural area who are very interested to speak in English. And then when you attended my class, joined my school, at that time I did not visit your house. This
Yes.
is my first chance to visit your house.
Yes, sir.
So who told you that there is an English medium school in Zanda village? Who guided you?
My father.
Your father.
Yes, sir.
So your father, what your father is doing?
My father is live in South Africa.
South Africa.
Yes, sir.
What he is doing there?
I want to speak in Hindi.
हाँ, you can say.
वो जो पिलर्स होते हैं ना, घर बनाते हैं, उसमें वो सहारा लेने के लिए खड़े होते हैं, वो उसको बनाने के लिए काम करते हैं
अच्छा.
वहाँ पे.
He is the मतलब architect.
Yes, sir.
Architect. Now, when you get call from your father, at that time you try to speak in Hindi or English. He is also might have understand it.
Yes, sir. Many times I also speak English with my father, and he also said me that you want to speak in English in very well
What is the
conditions.
qualification of your father?
What do you mean?
Qualification. What is the education of your father?
MA.
MA.
Yes.
And is very most intelligent person. Then he is inspiring you to speak in English.
Yes, sir.
And he is also speaking English with you.
Yes, sir.
Ah. Now I want to ask you what your mother is doing.
My mother is housewife.
She is also educated.
Yes, sir.
What is the education?
It's 12th.
12th. It means you are getting good influence from both your mother and father.
Parents.
Parents. It means I hope that I pray to the Almighty and the God that definitely you will get selection in the medical line, because both are very interested to give the inspiration to become the doctor.
Yes,
And
sir.
how from last and the final question I want to ask you, beta, that suppose this is a GK question. Suppose you have become doctor,
Yes, sir.
and your father or your mother has settled your engagement, and now that boy is not a doctor, then you don't want to get engagement with that boy. So how you will take the which route you will take to convince your father and mother not to get engagement with me, that boy, because he is not doctor, and I don't want to get engagement with that. So what route you will apply?
I apply the route of doctor, because every person is said that the son is also serve the parents, and girls is not serve the parents. And I want to
To whom you will tell that you don't want to get engagement with that boy because he is not doctor. I am doctor and I want to get married with the doctor. Then so first of all, to whom you will tell? Who is your good friend to listen your requirement?
my parents.
Your parents.
Yes, sir.
Your parents, that is your mother and father. First of all, to whom you will tell?
My father,
Your
because
father.
my father is very best,
Very frank.
very frank. I love it.
Sabas. You will not tell first of all your mother. And how many brothers and sisters have you got?
I have only one brother.
Only one brother.
Yes.
What he is doing?
Study
In which class?
8th.
8th class. Where he is studying?
Nagardas.
Nagar-
Nagardas school.
So why he is in the medium? The English medium.
English medium.
So you are studying in Jandava Saraswati school. Your brother is studying in Nagardas. So what is the difference in it? Why it is the?
Because he is very naughty boy,
Ah.
and my father is very angry on him. Then he calls him that I got you in the Nagardas hostel schools. He feared him, but he is not feared by this.
Acha.
Then-
So I think that I suggest you must also suggest your father to get admission of your brother in my
Jandwa.
school Jandwa. It will be good, better for you. He is also speaking like you in English.
He is trying to speak English in these days.
So what is the grade of that your brother? The first division, second division, and the above 75.
Now his result is not find out.
The result is not found.
Yes.
Previous result for how many years he is studying in Nagardas?
First year, sir.
First year.
Yes, sir.
So I don't want to tell you that you must also take out that your brother from there, but my suggestion is that in Churu district,
Yes, sir.
there is only the one Saraswati Public Senior Secondary School Jandwa, which is up to the 12th class English medium, neither in the Churu district proper city and nor in the Ratangad.
Ratangad.
It is only the one Saraswati Public School in the Churu district, which is up to the 12th class, and so many students have got selection in the medical line
Medical.
and etc.
Yes, sir.
So I suggest you to transfer that boy, your brother, from that school to my school.
Okay.
एंड देर इज आखिरी में आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे स्कूल का एक नारा है कि आप और अपनों को बुलाओ। तो आप क्या करोगे? आप तो आओगी, फिर अपनों को भी लाओगी।
अपने को भी लाएंगे।
तो आप आसपास के वातावरण के अंदर बच्चों को क्या कहना चाहोगे? सरस्वती पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ाई कैसी हो रही है, क्या नहीं हो रही है?
मैं तो यही कहूँगी सर कि ये स्कूल बहुत अच्छी है, यहाँ के टीचर्स इतनी अच्छी अगर पढ़ाई कराते हैं, अगर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आता है तो आप दोबारा से उसको रिपीट करवा सकते हो, और आपको इस तरह की हेजिटेशन लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, और काफ़ी वेल है बहुत। और यहाँ से खास करके यहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल सर बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान है।
दोस्तों, प्रिय अभिभावकों और प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आपको ये संदेश इसलिए देना चाहता हूँ कि गरिमा शर्मा है वो मौलीसर बड़ा की है, और मेरे पास पिछले साल इंग्लिश मीडियम में 10th 9th क्लास में आई थी। ये दोनों क्लास अटेंड करती थी, 9th और 10th क्लास, और अब आपके सामने ये प्योर इंग्लिश बोल रही है। तो ये देहात की होकर के भी इंग्लिश में बोल रही है। तो मैं आपको इस चीज़ के लिए देखो ये दावा कर रही है अन्य, क्योंकि एक आदमी ये होता है कि अगर डॉक्टर होता है परिवार में तो दूसरे भी डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है, फौजी होता है तो फौजी बनना चाहता है। तो मेरे स्कूल के अंदर ज़्यादातर बच्चे डॉक्टर लाइन के अंदर, मेडिकल लाइन में, इंजीनियरिंग, टीचर, एयरफोर्स में निकल रहे हैं। तो हर बच्चे की तमन्ना ये है कि सरस्वती से निकलने वाला बालक है वो ये चाहता है कि मैं डॉक्टर बनूँ। अब देखो ये 10वीं क्लास की बच्ची है और इसके मन में ये जिज्ञासा आज ही है कि मैं डॉक्टर बनूं, और इनके पिताजी हैं वो एमए हैं, माताजी हैं वो इनकी हायर सेकेंडरी है, और इनके पूरा वेल एजुकेटेड परिवार है और बाहर रहते हैं साउथ अफ्रीका। तो ये देखो मतलब ये अपना भावना कैसे प्रकट कर रही है कि मैं श्योर 100% डॉक्टर बनूंगी। और इनके परिवार के अंदर इस तरह से बच्चों को अगर माँ बाप स्नेह देंगे और स्कूल के अंदर इस तरह से स्नेह मिलेगा तो कतई इसमें को दोहरा नहीं है कि बच्चा अपना मंजिल हासिल नहीं कर सकता, निश्चित रूप से करेगा। तो मैं आपसे सभी दर्शकों से निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि आप अपने बच्चों को इस तरह से स्नेह दें कि उनको किसी प्रकार का भय नहीं हो, कोई ताड़ना ना हो, प्यार से उनको पढ़ाएं और प्यार से घर में रखें। और सरस्वती स्कूल के अंदर अगर आप एडमिशन कराओगे तो आपके लिए ओंकार मल जब तक जिंदा है तब तक बच्चों को, देहात के बच्चों को इसी तरह से शिक्षा का स्तर आगे बढ़ाता जाएगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत और जय सरस्वती।